In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a blog and make money with it. Are you ready to embark on the exciting journey of blogging? Starting a blog can be a fulfilling and rewarding endeavor, allowing you to share your passion, expertise, and creativity with the world. Whether you want to blog for personal enjoyment or as a means to grow your online presence and potentially generate income, this video will walk you through the essential steps to start your own blog. Blogging has evolved into a powerful medium for expressing ideas, building communities, and even establishing businesses. Before we dive into the specifics on how to start a blog, let's first of all know what blogging is all about. At its core, a blog is a regularly updated website or online platform where individuals or groups share their thoughts, experiences, and expertise on various topics. Blogs can cover virtually any subject from travel and lifestyle to technology and finance. They provide a platform for writers to engage with their audience through written content, images, videos, and more. Now let's take a look at some of the benefits of blogging. 1. It serves as a creative outlet, which allows you to unleash your creativity and express yourself. 2. Sharing knowledge. You can share your expertise on a subject you are passionate about with a blog. 3. You can use a blog to build an audience. And 4. Monetization. Some bloggers earn income through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling products, be it physical or digital. So now, how can you start a blog? Now that you have a basic understanding of blogging, let's delve into the step-by-step tutorial on how to start one for yourself. The first step you need to embark on when starting a blog is choose your niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial to the success of your blog. It's essential to pick a niche that genuinely excites you and has an audience eager for your content. The next step after choosing your niche is select a domain name and a web hosting for your blog. Your domain name is your blog's web address, so you need to choose this wisely. It should be memorable, relevant to your niche, and easy to spell. It is also important to pair your domain with a reliable hosting service to ensure your blog is accessible 24/7. The third step to starting a blog is set up your blogging platform. There are several popular blogging platforms to choose from, such as WordPress, Blogger, and Wix. And you need to pick one that aligns with your goals and expertise. My recommendation is WordPress, which is a popular choice due to its flexibility and customization options. After you've gotten your blogging platform, it's time to design your blog. The visual appeal of your blog is crucial, so you need to select a clean and user-friendly theme that resonates with your niche. Customize your blog's appearance to create a unique and inviting online space. The fifth step to embark on is create high-quality content for your blog. Before creating it, you should know that content is king in the blogging environment. Craft engaging, informative, and original articles that resonate with your audience. Use multimedia elements like images and videos to enhance your posts. You can use websites like Pixabay or Pixels.com to get royalty-free images for your blog. After creating your content, the next thing you need to take care of is optimize for SEO. SEO is search engine optimization, which is essential for increasing your blog's visibility on search engines like Google. This is where you need to research on keywords relevant to your niche and incorporate them naturally into your content. And there are mainly two ways of doing SEO, that is on-page SEO, that is where you optimize your blog posts within your website itself, and off-page SEO, that is where you share your blog posts on various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and more. So we've looked at the various steps you need to follow when starting a blog. If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out and I appreciate you. Alright, let's get back to the video. Now your blog is ready. What next? Now it's time to promote your blog. Once your blog is up and running, it's time to promote it to reach a wider audience. And I'll be sharing with you two ways you can promote your blog to achieve success. One is by utilizing social media. This is where you need to share your blog posts on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You need to engage with your followers and encourage them to share your content with their peers. The second method of promoting your blog is by networking with other bloggers. Building relationships with fellow bloggers can lead to collaborations, guest posting opportunities, and increased exposure. After promoting your blog successfully, it's time to monitor and analyze its performance. This is where you can use analytic tools to track your blog's performance. Adjust your strategy based on data to improve your blog's reach and engagement. You can do this by connecting your website to Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Now that we've created our blog with high quality content, it's time to monetize our blog in order to generate revenue for ourselves. Blogging can be more than just a passion project or a creative outlet. It can also be a lucrative endeavor. If you've put in the effort to build a valuable blog with a dedicated audience, there are several ways you can monetize your blog and turn it into a source of income. And I'll be sharing with you 3 most popular ways you can do this. The first method through which you can monetize your blog is through display advertising. One of the most common ways to monetize a blog is through display advertising. You can sign up with ad networks like Google AdSense, Media.net, or Ezoic, which will place relevant ads on your blog. You can earn money based on ad impressions or clicks. While this method can generate income, it's important to balance ad placements to avoid overwhelming your readers with ads. The second most popular way to monetize your blog is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone's product or service to earn a commission. This is where you need to choose affiliate programs that align with your blog's niche and content. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate are popular affiliate networks out there. Upon signing up to a particular affiliate program, they will give you a special link that you can place onto your blog post. When users click on it and make a purchase, that is where you earn a commission for yourself. Isn't this cool? The third most popular way to monetize your website, in my opinion, is selling digital products or services. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider selling digital products or services related to your niche. This could be ebooks, online courses, consulting services, or downloadable templates. Your blog can serve as a platform to promote and sell these items. So that's it on how you can start a blog and make money with it. Starting a blog is an exciting endeavor that offers numerous opportunities for self-expression and growth. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can embark on your blogging journey with confidence. My name is Sadiq and this is Dikupages. Until then, good luck with your blog.